Beehive. An enclosed structure in which some species of honey bees, genus Apis, live and raise their young. A man-made structure in which bees are kept for their honey. Figurative, any place full of activity, or in which people are very busy. A women's hairstyle, popular in the 1960s, in which long hair is styled into a hive-shaped form on top of the head and usually held in place with lacquer. A particular style of hat. A type of anti-personnel ammunition round containing flechettes, and characterized by the buzzing sound made as they fly through the air. Non-standard, New Zealand, alternative form of beehive, cellular automata, in Conway's Game of Life, a particular still life configuration with a rounded appearance. Rare, transitive, to fill, a place, with busy activity. B E E H I V E Beehive.